Hello friends, I'm Darren Clark with Voice of Redemption International. And I come to you to invite you to Voice of Restoration Fellowship of 2022. This will be our second fellowship meeting, just a fellowship of the saints coming together, hearing what God is saying in this hour. It'll be Brother Daryl Turner, Brother Jimmy Jones, and myself will be preaching the meeting. And the dates for this year will be the 26th through the 28th of July 2022. We have on our website, if you go to vorinternational.org, you will find information for the hotels. We have contracts with group blocks and rates for 3 different hotels. We have the Hampton Inn in Clarksville, Tennessee. We have the Country Inn and Suites of Clarksville, Tennessee, and the Comfort Suites of Clarksville, Tennessee. And just right on the outskirts of Clarksville there, we will be at Adams, Tennessee at the Ruby Cora Event Center. And we invite you to come. We're looking forward to this time as we come together and fellowship with the saints and fellowship with the Lord by the Spirit of God. Hear what God's saying in this crucial hour of time for the church. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. But again, on our website at vorinternational.org, you'll find the information of the dates, the service times, 2 services a day, 10 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock at night, and be for 3 days. So 2 services, 3 days, 6 services total. The room rates are good for that Monday night to check in and checking out Friday morning. That way you could be there Tuesday morning and not have to leave Thursday night after the last service. But we look forward to seeing you. Please share this with others. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Our contact info is on our website, and you can go on there, let us know. There's a form that you can let us know that you're going to be coming. And again, we look forward to seeing you at Voice of Restoration Fellowship 2022. God bless you. See you soon.